How to unhide post on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, I will show you by hiding a post. First, go to your Facebook application. Then, log into your desired account. After you are logged in, what you will have to do is go to your profile icon. Now here, I will hide this post. Tap on this three dot and then in order to hide, you can either move to archive and this way it will not appear in your profile, or you can also edit its privacy and set it to private. Now go back, tap on the menu bar, go to settings, scroll down and then from activity, go to activity log. After that, go to archive and here you will find your removed or hidden photos or post. Tap on it, then tap on restore, confirm restoring, and it will be unhidden and will be shown in your profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.